Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So today I am going to be making, a liquid lip color. I haven't shared this before with you all. So this is a small batch that I'll be making it for personal use. So I thought I'll share it how we go ahead and make these liquid lip colors. So here I have my ingredients. Here I have taken my blend of silicones. Here I have my oil and my wax, and it's very easy and simple to make this as long as you know how much of each proportion has to be used to get a proper liquid lip color. For those interested in learning how to make these advanced lip colors which last for a longer time, which is smudge free, y'all can definitely connect with me to the number that's given in the description box. I do take workshops for all these skincare products. So we'll quickly get into the making of this liquid lip color. Now, since we have our candela wax here, I'm just going to go ahead and heat this so that it melts, and then we will make the liquid lip color. Okay, so I've gone ahead and melted the wax here, and this is how it looks like. And now I'm going to combine our other ingredients into this, and we will give it a good mix. And once we go ahead and mix this, we can start adding our pigments. Here I have already made a ready color. In case if I feel I don't like the color, I want to make any changes, I can go ahead and do my additions in this itself. So I will go ahead and start adding my pigment. Before that, I'll just add my vitamin E to this. This is our antioxidant. And after mixing all this well, all the ingredients, we will go ahead and start adding our pigment. You can also use a mini mixer here, a mini blender, I'm sorry, to blend all the pigments together. Okay, so I've gone ahead and mixed all the color well, the pigment with the liquid, and this is how it looks right now. It has to be, you have to make sure that all the pigment color is well combined with the liquid. And now I'm going to go ahead and put this in my container. It is that simple to go ahead and make your own liquid lip color. Okay, so I've gone ahead and filled the liquid lip color in the bottle, and this is how it looks. And I have put the knob and closed it. And now we'll go ahead and close the lipstick, the liquid lip color, and I'll show you how the color looks like. I'm just shaking the bottle well. And this is the color that we have for the liquid lip color that we have made today. Now these liquid lip colors are very minimal transfer, smudge free, and very good and moisturizing and softening for the lips. It's not going to dry out your lips. It's not going to crack your lips in any way like the ones that you get out in the market. Very moisturizing liquid lip colors. So this is what we've made today, and if anyone would be interested in learning how to make these liquid lip colors, y'all can definitely get in touch with the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. And thank you everyone for all your support all the time. If you like my videos, if you like what I share, please do like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much everyone.